Hey, what's up, guys? It's Andrew Gui 27. Now, these are one of my old videos from my first YouTube channel, iPad Geek 94. And some of the stuff in this video might be outdated or it might not work. So if you need any help, just comment down below or send me a message. I reply to every comment, so don't worry about it. I'm gonna get to you. And I just want to say, since this is my first YouTube channel, the videos was based on iPad Geek 94. Um, I wasn't so good at being in the camera. I was very nervous and talking, mumble a lot and all that kind of thing. But I'm doing pretty much a lot better now. And I just say, don't be an asshole or a dick, and comment down below and saying, all these hate comments I probably got in from my other YouTube channel. I admit I was pretty horrible, but I helped some people out. So again, if you need any help, just comment down below, send me a message, and I'll gladly help you. Enjoy the video, guys.
Yo, what's up guys? This is iPod94 here. Now this video is to show you how to play Pokemon games on your iPod Touch. This will also work for iPhone too. Right, so first what you want to do is go to Cydia. And basically the tweak is it's not a tweak, it's more of an app. It's an emulator. It's a Game Boy Advance emulator, and what that does, it allows you to play of course Game Boy Advance games, which allows you to play Pokemon. And you could either play it this way or landscape or portrait. So this is gonna be my remake of this video with voice. Come on. Alright, so what you guys want to do is search gpSPhone. Fools on me. I don't know why this freezing on me. Come on, what the hell? Okay. Sorry for that, guys. So you guys want to search is gpSPhone. Cydia is really slow today. I don't know why. Okay, so then you guys want to go on. This is my website you go on, and let's just go on with this. Just tap on gpSPhone, and then you will tap download and install. Then after that, just go back to Cydia because it will tell you, I think we turn to Cydia, something like that. So then after that, oh yeah, you guys also wanted to download this gpSPhone BIOS. That will allow you to use the emulator because without this require file, you cannot use the emulator. So, just get gpSPhone, then just download and install this the same way as I showed you for gpSPhone. And then after that, go back to Cydia to get the game that you want. For example, just put Pokemon Red. Okay, let's see if that works. Just waiting until it loads. Because it's not telling me the description. Okay, Pokemon. Okay, yeah, that's the wrong one. When you guys search for, you know, WOMs, it's important that you get, on the description, it would say, with, to work with the, GPS, emulator. For example, let me do Ruby. That way you have that installed, so when you search wherever, just go down and make sure it says Pokemon Ruby or whatever WOM for the GPS emulator, Game Boy Advance. And then it will work. Any other game that doesn't say for the gpSPhone emulator will probably not work. So then after that, guys, that's it. Let me just show you an example of gpSPhone. So I have it. Alright, gpSPhone. Yeah, this is a pretty cool tweak or app or whatever you want to call it. You know, there's no lag at all. It's a pretty I'll say I prefer to play this. I prefer to play Pokemon on this than the Game Boy Advance. So, for example, it says do fire red. Like I said before, you can do portrait or landscape. I usually like to do landscape and sound. The only thing I don't really like about this is that the screen is too small. They can increase it. It's not hard to play with, it just gets annoying after time because you're like, you know. And then you have to control all this with touchscreen, of course. And you can also, you know, do saves and stuff. It's pretty stable actually. Yeah, so I already started my own okay, let me see, start. Let me show you my Pokemon. Not really important, but I don't know if you can see I got whatever that is, the file, Steel, got Pikachu, Charmander, Key, so it works the exact same way as if you were still playing the Game Boy Advance. So, yeah, to me this is a pretty cool tweak. Alright guys, let me just lock my iPod. Alright guys, so if you like this video, please subscribe and comment below. If you have any questions, I will just comment below and I'll reply to it. Alright guys, peace.